Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you north facing G+1 building house plan which is in 120 square yards area. Each floor will be consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen portion. Now I will explain you particulars about ground floor as well as particulars about first floor. So go to this G+1 building folder, G+1. So here we need to select the plan. So just I am selecting the ground floor initially. So this is my plan for the respected ground story which is in north facing direction. So this is the north facing for this respective house. So this is my slab area which is of 1015 square feet area approximately. So I will calculate the ground area initially. So go to your calculator initially. Here I am taking 1080 is my site area which is in square feet. We need to divide this respective value with 9. So it will give you approximately 120 square yards area. So after that we need to calculate the slab area. So go to calculator again. Again we have to take this respective value of 1015. So just take 1015 value. We need to divide this respective value with 9. So it will give the value of 122.77 which is approximately equal to 113 square yards area. So click on cancel this. Now I will explain you ground floor plan details for north facing house. So this is my ground floor plan for the respected house which is consisting of 30 feet wide road in north facing direction. So this is my main gate which is provided in north facing direction. So through this main gate we are entering into the open parking here. So this open parking space will be helpful for parking the vehicles. So this is the dimensions for the open parking space. So it will be consisting of 12 feet in length direction distance and 15 feet 8 inches in width direction distance. So this is the staircases which is provided in north facing direction. So the width of the staircases is 6 feet 6 inches here which is provided in north facing. Through this open parking space we are entering into the living area here. So this is the main door for the respected living area. So main door will be consisting of 6 feet width for this respective house which is provided in north facing direction. So this is the another main door which is provided in east facing direction. The width of this main door is 4 feet in east facing direction. So these are the dimensions for the respected living hall which is consisting of 8 feet in length direction distance as well as 16 feet in width direction distance for this respected house. So living area will be consisting of one window here which is provided in east facing direction. The width of this respected window is approximately 4 feet. Through this living area we are entering into the kitchen portion here. So this is the dimensions of the kitchen portion for this respected ground story which is consisting of 8 feet in length direction distance as well as 7 feet in width direction distance. The kitchen is also consisting of one window which is in east facing direction. So this is the door which is attached to the kitchen here. The width of the door is approximately 2.5 feet. So this is the wide utility which is consisting of 3 feet 5 inches wide for this respective house. Now through the living area portion we are entering into the lobby for this respected house. The dimensions of the lobby is 3 feet 6 inches wide. So this is the main door which is provided for the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom dimensions which is consisting of 9 feet 11 inches in length direction distance as well as 13 feet 7 inches in width direction distance. The main bedroom will be consisting of one window which is provided in south facing direction. The width of the window is approximately equal to 4 feet. So for the main bedroom it will be consisting of a wash area for this respected house which is attached to the main bedroom. So which is approximately equal to 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 4 feet in width direction distance. So this is the lobby. Through this lobby we are entering into the second wash area. The second wash area is also consisting of 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 4 feet in width direction distance. So through this respected lobby area now we are entering into the second bedroom. So this is the dimensions of the second bedroom for this respected house which is consisting of 9 feet 11 inches in length direction distance as well as 12 feet for this respective house in width direction distance. The ventilations are provided in west facing direction for this respected house which is consisting of 2 feet wide. So for the respected second bedroom it is also consisting of one window which is provided in west facing direction. The dimensions of the window is approximately equal to 4 feet. So this is the complete details about the ground story plan for this respected house, which is in 120 square yards area. Now I will explain you first floor plan details. Go to your folder here, plan, select your FF file, nothing but your first floor plan. So this is my first floor plan for this respected house. This plan is also consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen portion for this respected house. So this is the staircases which are provided in north facing direction. The staircases will be consisting of 6 feet 6 inches wide. So this is the balcony which is provided in north facing direction, which is approximately equal to 6 feet 6 inches wide. So this is the balcony which is provided in east facing direction, which is approximately equal to 3 feet. So through this respected north facing direction, we are entering into the living area through the main door here. The width of the main door is approximately equal to 6 feet. So this is the living area dimensions for this respected house, which is consisting of 7 feet 8 inches in length direction distance as well as 11 feet 8 inches in width direction distance. The living area is also consisting of one window which is provided in east facing direction. The width of the window is 4 feet approximately. So through this living area, we are entering into this respected dining hall. So this is the dining hall dimensions for this respected house, which is consisting of 12 feet 5 inches in width direction distance as well as 8 feet 10 inches in length direction distance. So the dining area will be consisting of main door which is provided in east facing direction for this respected house. So it is attached with one window here. The width of the main door is approximately equal to 4 feet here. The dining hall area is also consisting of one window which is approximately equal to 3 feet width. So through this respected dining hall area, we are entering into the kitchen portion. So this is the kitchen portion for this respected house, which is consisting of 7 feet 8 inches in length direction distance as well as 14 feet 9 inches in width direction distance for this respected house. The kitchen portion is also consisting of one window which is provided in east facing direction. The width of the window is approximately equal to 4 feet. So this is the puja room which is provided in east facing direction. So these are the dimensions for the respected puja room, which is consisting of 3 feet length and 5 feet width for this puja room. The puja room is also consisting of one ventilation which is provided in east facing direction. The width of the ventilation is approximately equal to 2 feet. So through the dining hall section, now we are entering into the bedroom here, master bedroom. So this is the dimensions of the master bedroom for this respected house, which is consisting of 10 feet 10 inches in length direction distance as well as 14 feet 9 inches in width direction distance. So this master bedroom is consisting of two windows. One window is provided in south facing direction and another window is provided in west facing direction. The width of these both windows will be consisting of approximately 4 feet wide. So this is the wash area for this respected house, which is attached to the master bedroom. The dimensions of the wash area is 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 4 feet 3 inches in width direction distance. Now through this respected dining area, we are entering into the another washroom. So this is the dimensions of another washroom area, which is consisting of 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 4 feet 3 inches in width direction distance. So this respected dining area, now we are entering into the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom dimensions for this respected house. So it will be consisting of 10 feet 10 inches in length direction distance as well as 11 feet 8 inches in width direction distance for this respected house. The second bedroom is also consisting of two windows for this respected first story. The first window is provided in north facing direction as well as second window is provided in west facing direction. The dimensions of the both windows will be approximately equal to 4 feet. So for the washroom 1 as well as washroom 2, the ventilation is provided in west facing direction for this respected house. So this is the plan details about the first story for this G+1 building of north section. For this respective G+1 building of north story, it will be consisting of 12 number of columns. So this is the column, first column, second column, this is my third column, this is my fourth column, this is my fifth column, this is my sixth column, seventh column, eighth column, ninth column, 10th column, 11th column, as well as this is my last and 12th column. If you need this respective plan of G+1 building in north facing direction, so please download the file from the below description. In my next coming video, I will explain you analysis and designing of this respective G+1 house building by using ATAP software. Thank you.